We want to turn to that college basketball star, Keyontae Johnson, who's in critical condition after collapsing on the court in the middle of a game. Ariel Reshef joins us now with more. Good morning, Ariel.
Good morning to you, Robin. Just minutes before Keyontae Johnson collapsed on the court, he was celebrating a play with his teammates, but things took that terrifying turn. We do want to warn our viewers the video is disturbing. This morning, this shocking video, Florida Gators basketball star Keyontae Johnson suddenly collapsing on the court. The top scorer and preseason player of the year dunking just moments before, then taking a dramatic turn.
Johnson with the strong finish off the assist.
He can be seen coming out of a timeout huddle, his head dropping. He stumbles, then alarmingly, he falls face first onto the floor. Teammates visibly upset, calling for help.
We've had a heartbreaking situation here. You see this Florida team in tears.
Johnson taken out on a stretcher and rushed to local Tallahassee Memorial Hospital, where as of this morning he remains in critical but stable condition. His family flying in to be by his side, and Coach White with him in the hospital tweeting, "Please keep praying for Keyontae and his family. We all love him." Along with the basketball community, including his teammate Trey Mann, saying, "I know you're fighting, bro. God got you." The Florida Gators playing hours from their home court against their rivals Florida State in Tallahassee, releasing a statement saying Keyontae received terrific care on site by the FSU staff and at Tallahassee Memorial, which has worked in consultation with UF Health. We're glad his parents can be by his side, and they all feel the support of Gator Nation. And earlier this year, Johnson, along with several of his teammates, tested positive for COVID-19, but it's unclear if that's related to this incident. TJ?
All right, Ariel, certainly hope he's going to be okay. Thank you so much.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.